So hey friend, in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can rotate your object on Blender workspace about an axis. So first of all, you need to open the Blender on whatever device you have been using. For example, if I open my workspace on my Windows PC, now this is the object of which I want to rotate or do the operation. Just simply you need to do to select the object of which you want to apply the rotation operation. Either select the object by clicking over there, or just simply select the name of the object in this layer window. Now click on this button of object over this top window. When you click there, here you're going to find this option of first number transform. When you click there, now on this again small window, you're going to find this option of rotate. Now when you select this option, now when you move your mouse around any axis, you're going to see the object is now rotating. So you can set the rotating axis as per your convenience. So by this method you can easily rotate the object in your Blender workspace as per your convenience. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.